Hey everyone, welcome. आज हम सीखेंगे बेसिक इंग्लिश ग्रामर। सुनने में बोरिंग लग सकता है, बट बिलीव मी, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि सही ग्रामर से आप इंग्लिश क्लियरली और कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल सकते हो। जैसे घर बनाने के लिए सही टूल्स चाहिए होते हैं, वैसे ही सही ग्रामर से आप स्ट्रॉन्ग और इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हो। तो चलो कुछ सिंपल रूल्स सीखते हैं। हम स्टार्ट करेंगे बेसिक्स से। ये वो रूल्स हैं जो आप इंग्लिश में हर रोज यूज करोगे। एक बार समझ आ गया तो आपको खुद ही लगेगा कि कॉन्वर्सेशंस करना, फ्रेंड्स बनाना और अपने आइडियाज शेयर करना कितना इजी हो गया है। रेडी हो शुरू करने के लिए? लेट्स डाइव इन। चलो शुरू करते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस से। इसको हम उन चीजों के लिए यूज करते हैं जो हम रेगुलरली करते हैं, लाइक हैबिट्स या रूटीन्स। जैसे हम डेली क्या करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वेक अप एट 7 AM. शी ईट्स ब्रेकफास्ट बिफोर वर्क। देखा कितना सिंपल है। सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज करके आप अपने डेली लाइफ के बारे में इजीली बता सकते हो। ये कॉन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करने और दूसरों से कनेक्ट होने का एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका है। Next up, we have articles a, an, and the. This small words us tell are key noun specific is or general. A use caro that word from before which consonant sound from start happens is like a book or a cat. And use caro that word from before which vowel sound from start happens is like an apple or an hour. The we then use do are when we any specific thing of about in talk. Do rahe are about which about in. We before from also know are. For example, the book on the table or the dog in the park. Articles small seem are, but this very big difference bring are. This us a dusre to better understand to do in help do are, and sentences to natural make are. Section 4. Pronouns. Shortcut. Your sentences. Pronouns, those words are like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. This sentence is in nouns to replace do are, which sentence is short, and to speak in easy be-go are. For example, instead of saying Sarah went to the store, you can say she went to the store. See how much smooth felt? Correctly. Pronouns used to do from Ayapka English very natural will feel. Plus, this you time repeat to do from also will save. Section 5. Making plurals. More than one. Now, let's talk about plurals. Plurals means when we anything of a from more to be, he talk do are. Most of the time, we just word of end in s add, do give are. For example, one book becomes many books. One cat becomes many cats. Easy, right? Some special rules are those words of for which ch, sh, x, or s from end are. For these words, we add es to make them plural. For example, one box becomes many boxes. Making plurals a simple concept is, but this correct from understand important is. This tells is key you English in different quantities of about in talk to do no be. Section 6. Conjunctions and but or. Finally, let's talk about conjunctions. Those words are like and but and or. This words, phrases, and sentences to connect do are and of use. We things to combine to do of for do are, like I like apples and oranges. But contrast tells is, like I want to go outside but it's raining. Or choice gives is, like do you want tea or coffee? Conjunctions your sentences to interesting make are, and complex ideas express to do in help do are. This bridges key kind are, which your thoughts of different parts to connect do are. So there you have it. These are some basic English grammar rules. I hope is key you this helpful and easy to understand felt will. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep talking, keep listening, and keep learning. You've got this.